Have you ever noticed that your hair seems to grow, but somehow it never gets longer? Every wash day, more strands fall out, more breakage, more dryness, and by the end of the month, it feels like your hair is not moving at all. But what if I told you that the biggest mistake is not the shampoo? Is what you are not doing before shampooing. So today I am sharing my July Pre-Poo treatment. Use just 3 powerful ingredients: guava leaves, onion peel, and flaxseed. Most people use onion juice. Almost nobody use the peel. And that may be one of the biggest mistakes they are making. This treatment helps coat the hair before washing, make it easy to detangle while supporting a healthy scalp and reducing breakage. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make it, how long to leave it on, and the one mistake that can ruin the recipe. Do not skip any part of this video because the last tip changed everything. So let's get started. So before I explain how to make today's treatment, let's understand why so many people think their hair is not growing. Hair actually grows from the scalp, but if your ends keep breaking, you will not notice the growth. Think of it like filling a basket with water while there is not a hole at the bottom. That is exactly what breakage does. Every wash day, dryness, tangled, raw detangle, weak strands, all of those reduce length retention. This is why I love using a Pre-Poo treatment before shampooing. Instead of allowing shampoo to strip out the hair immediately, the Pre-Poo coats the strand first. It helps improve sleeps, soften the hair, and reduce unnecessary breakage through wash days. Now let me show you how I make today's recipe. Our first ingredient is guava leaves. So my guava leaf, I stock them in the freezer because I don't have guava tree at my compound. So if you don't have guava tree on your compound, so do the same thing. This is the best way I preserve my guava leaf while still leaving them as fresh and use them anytime I want to use it. So if you don't have guava tree at your compound, then do the same thing. You don't need to worry whenever I want to use it and start looking for it. Just plug it as much as you can. Store them in the freezer with a Ziploc bag. They will stay as safe. So far there is a constant life supplier in your house, the guava leaf will stay as long as you wish on your freezer. Okay, so I just bring out 1 full hand of my guava leaf and also 1 full hand of my onion peel. My onion peel, also store it in the freezer as you can see. Then I measure about 3 to 4 tablespoons of my flaxseed. Put all of them inside the pot, but make sure you have washed your guava leaf thoroughly and your onion peel thoroughly before you can put them in the pot. Then add enough water to boil it. But please, this is very important. Make sure you do not boil it in a very high heat so that you not kill the nutrients of these 3 powerful ingredients. Boil them in a medium-low heat. Then do not boil it more than 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Because if you boil it longer time, you still kill the nutrients of these 3 powerful ingredients. So once you see the gel has start coming out, before that 10 to 15 minutes, the gel will start coming out. Then off the gas immediately. Bring a bowl and a shifter to strain it out immediately so that you can get all the gel out. Okay, so let me give you all the benefits of all those ingredients. Our first ingredient is guava leaf. Guava leaves has been used traditional in natural hair care because they contain antioxidants and plant compounds that help support a healthy scalp. A healthy scalp creates a better environment for healthy looking hair. Guava leaves also help to refresh the scalp, stop excessive hair shedding, promote faster hair growth, and thicken up your hair. If you have experienced excessive shedding, please try to incorporate guava leaves on your hair routine. Okay, it will help you a whole lot. Now let's move to our second ingredient is onion peel. Now the onion peel everyone throws away, not the onion itself, the peel. Yes, The onion peels natural content, sulfur compound and antioxidant. Sulfur is a building block involved in the hair structure, while antioxidant help protect against environmental stress. Instead of wasting the peel, you are putting them into work. Okay, now my favorite ingredient, flaxseed. Once flaxseed is boiled, it creates a beautiful slimy gel. That slimy is exactly what dry hair loves. It makes detangle much easier, it coats the strands, it helps to reduce friction, and less friction often meaning less breakage. This is what made today's recipes perfect as a pre-poo treatment. Then after extracting out the treatment, the next thing I do is to add my few drop of essential oils. Please, the essential oil is optional. If you don't have it, do not worry yourself. But if you have any of your hair growth oil, then add it, okay? But if you don't have any of this, the main ingredient is those three powerful ingredients: the guava leaf, the onion peel, and the flaxseed. That is the main ingredient for today hair growth pre-poo treatment. Okay, so after adding my essential oils into the pre-poo, then I go ahead and shake it very well. Make sure that everything mix up very well before I go ahead and apply it on my hair. So now let me demonstrate to you how to apply this on your hair for perfect hair growth, to reduce shedding, breakage, dryness, damaged hair, and also to help you to retain a lot of length and promote faster hair growth, and also soften your hair. If your hair is very hard whenever you shampoo your hair, you don't need to skip this particular pre-poo treatment. It will help you a whole lot, both in length retention, bringing moisture back to your hair, and also helping your hair to get more elasticity and get more thicker and fuller hair. Okay, please pay close attention to get the full instruction on how to use this particular pre-poo treatment to grow your hair like never before. Your hair will not stop growing if you can use it correct way. Your hair will be very thick for you to handle. You retain a lot of length, get more volume hair, more thicker hair, more length retention, and your hair will be very soft, very easy for you to manage. There is no joke. Just pay close attention so that you not miss any single step. Okay, so now before you use this treatment on your hair, make sure you do not allow the treatment to be cold. Use the treatment on a warming stage. Okay, make sure it's warm before you apply it on your hair. Please, it's very important you do this. Don't use it on a cold form. Use it on the warming stage of it for better results. So the next thing now, like as I said, this is a pre-poo treatment. A pre-poo treatment is a treatment you apply on your hair before you go ahead and apply shampoo on your hair. Okay, so make sure you use it before you shampoo your hair for better results. So the next thing is to work in session. Make sure you work in session, whether your hair is on a protected hairstyle or not protected hairstyle. Work in session is very important. So after session your hair, the next thing is to apply this mixture from the scalp to the tip of your hair, meaning the ends of your hair. Coat it very well. Make sure all the entire of your scalp and all the entire of your ends are very well coated with this pre-poo treatment. Do not manage it. Coat it very well. Okay, and also you can also use it on your problem areas like your edges, your nipple, any of your problem area. Also apply the treatment in that particular place. So the next thing you must follow immediately is to massage your scalp. Scalp massage is very important. Massage your scalp gently at least 7 minutes to 10 minutes. Okay, make sure you massage your scalp. Okay, it's very important. It helps to increase blood flow to your scalp, and also make this product to penetrate very well on your hair and promote more thicker hair growth. Okay, so after massaging your scalp, then the next thing you do now is to use your shower cap to cover up your hair, but make sure the treatment coated all over your scalp, your hair strands, and the ends of your hair before you go ahead and use your shower cap to cover up your hair. Leave it in at least 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, once it's 45 minutes or an hour, then wash it out with your shampoo. Follow with your conditioner or deep conditioner. So repeat this on your wash days. Try to incorporate this on your wash day routines. You see the crazy results start happening. Your hair will grow without stopping. Your hair will grow like crazy, get thicker, grow faster without you breaking the bank. And especially if you are dealing with dry hair, damaged hair, excessive shedding, excessive hair fall or breakage, or no length retention, or your hair is not even growing at all, try to incorporate this. You will see the huge transformation start happening. Okay, so for me, I like to use this every of my wash day. I don't miss this particular step on my wash date. It will be a huge transformation on my hair growth routine. Okay, and remember, consistent is what made this biggest difference. If you are not consistent, you will not see that huge transformation. Try to be consistent and you see what will happen on your hair. You will never ever regret it, sis. I am not joking. Okay, please listen carefully. Here are the biggest mistake people do while using this particular treatment, and please try to avoid them, okay, for better results. So number one mistake is applying the treatment while the treatment is still very hot. Please don't use it while it's still very hot, and also do not use it while it's very cold. Please, okay, use the treatment when the treatment is warm for better results. Okay, now the second mistake is keeping this treatment too long. Do not store the treatment. This treatment is not a treatment you need to store. Use it as fresh as is, because fresh badge work best. Please do not store it. Okay, now the third mistake is skipping your conditioner after shampooing your hair. I know that a lot of people do this mistake. Do not skip conditioning your hair after using shampoo on your hair. Please do not skip it. Okay, and the fourth mistake is expecting overnight miracles after using this treatment. Please do not expect that. Okay, it's very wrong. Healthy hair care is all about consistent, not overnight miracle or overnight result. Try to be consistent and you see the magic start happening. Okay, now here is my challenge for you. Every wash day this July, use this Pre-Poo before shampooing your hair. Take a picture of your hair today, then check it at the end of this month. Pay attention to how your hair feel, how much breakage you notice, and how much easy wash day becomes. I would love to hear about your experience. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. If you learned something new today, give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you are serious about growing healthier, stronger, longer natural hair using affordable DIY treatments. And once you subscribe, turn on your notification. Okay, and also comment below July growth. Okay, I will know that I watched to the end, and also let me know the country you are watching from. Okay, so if you joining this July challenge, also tell me in the comment section below. And which ingredient surprised you the most? Is it the guava leaf, is it the onion peel, or the flaxseed? Let me know in comment section below. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you most. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. Please stay consistent and stay patient, and you see the result start happening. Okay, so guys, see you guys on my next video. Bye. Mwah.